Good day, my listeners. My name is Ifeoluwa Oloyinbo. I'm in SS2A. The name of my parents is Mr. and Mrs. Oloyinbo. My parents are indigenous of Aiyede-Ekiti, and I was born in Aiyede-Ekiti. My father's occupation is farmer, while my mother's is tailor. I attended Jola Victory National Primary School from my nursery class to my primary 6 in year 2008 to 2016. I attended Everly College, Aiyede-Ekiti, in year 2017 to 2019. Then I was admitted to Aiyede Grammar School, Aiyede-Ekiti, in year 2020 to date. My current class is SS3. My aspiration is to become a dentist. A dentist is a person who is qualified to treat disease and other conditions that affect the teeth and the gums, especially to repair, extraction of teeth and inserting of artificial ones. My role plans to achieve my aspiration. I'm already studying science subjects, which will help me to put in of my course that I want to study. After my secondary school, I will obtain job and process my admission to university. 3 reasons why I require MEF support. My parents are not buoyant enough to afford my school fees. 2. The course needs the financial tax. 3. After my secondary school, my parents might tell me to go and learn trade, and I don't want to learn trade. In conclusion, I pray that God will assist you to help me. Thanks.